Yeah. Right, call up, wait till they have to move on, and hang up on them. Don't we sit in there?
I just need I saw like a thing.
All right, fans, here we go. 3 and the pull-off. Only 3. Richard Bonner. Killing.
She said it looked like
Puts it right in the middle of the track. Now you can see our finish line official down there.
I think that's what happened last year.
Jim Miller. At this point, he is called target. Jim Miller was instrumental in helping build these tracks. Jim built a lot of tracks for the ntpa. We do thank him very much. Does a great job on track build. A lot of different conditions. He always produces a great track. Thanks, Jim. All right, fans, here we go. Back on the track. One more time. Please start throwing the pull-off. Oh, come on, fans. You got to get louder than that. You got to bring it down the track. They're in it to win tonight. The Grand National Class down here, Lorain County Fair. Of course, what we know as the Friday Night Spectacular.
Oops, I'm sorry. Sorry. Didn't mean to dive in front of you there. Yeah. Shoot.
Alright, man, he's got to beat 3:05 and 7. Can he do it? I There's J.R. Collins, man, right there. Still lighting it up. Having fun. All right, man, this is the last truck of the night. Everybody up. Everybody on their feet. It's the one you waited for.
I'm going along against the fence. I want to show this real quick.
Stretch your gluteus maximus.
I'm going to go along against the fence. Excuse me.